India, a land where ancient wisdom meets royal luxury. Imagine waking up to the sound of temple bells echoing across Himalayan valleys or receiving an Ayurvedic massage with oils infused with 5,000-year-old secrets. From palace-like wellness sanctuaries to eco-luxury yoga resorts, India has become the global capital of holistic healing wrapped in opulence. Whether you seek detox, rejuvenation, or spiritual transformation, these 10 luxurious retreats will redefine what wellness truly means. Stay till the end because the final one is where celebrities and global leaders retreat to find balance and silence beyond imagination. One Ananda in the Himalayas, Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. Nestled in the foothills of the Himalayas, overlooking the sacred Ganga and the royal palace of the Maharaja of Tehri Gadwal, Ananda in the Himalayas is India's most iconic luxury wellness retreat. This Palestine sanctuary blends Ayurveda, yoga, Vedanta, and international wellness therapies. Guests can expect personalized detox plans, hydrotherapy, guided meditation, and gourmet wellness cuisine designed by expert Ayurvedic chefs. The spa offers over 80 treatments including Abhyanga, Shirodhara, and aromatherapy. Room rates start at around 60,000 rupees to 1,50,000 rupees, $720 to $1,800 per night, depending on the program. Ananda has hosted celebrities like Oprah Winfrey and Deepak Chopra, yet remains a space where stillness feels like royalty. 2 Wana Retreat, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Wana is not just a retreat, it's a forest sanctuary for the soul. Located near Dehradun, this minimalist yet deeply spiritual wellness destination redefines luxury as awareness. Designed with natural materials and surrounded by sal forests, Wana integrates Ayurveda, Tibetan healing, yoga, and natural medicine. Guests begin with a detailed wellness consultation to craft personalized journeys, from Panchkarma detox to Tibetan cupping therapy. Expect organic meals, herbal teas, and meditation guided by Himalayan monks. Prices start at 65,000 rupees, $780 per night, all inclusive of therapies and meals. At Wana, silence becomes a form of therapy, and every moment feels curated by nature herself. 3 Kerali Ayurvedic healing village, Palakkad, Kerala. Deep in the lush greenery of Kerala lies Kerali, one of India's most authentic Ayurvedic destinations. Built on the principles of Vastu Shastra, every villa aligns with natural energy flows. Guests are welcomed with herbal drinks and a detailed body type consultation before beginning their healing journey. Expect daily massages, yoga, and medicinal baths using herbs grown on-site. The cuisine is strictly Ayurvedic, light, nourishing, and personalized for your dosha. Prices start around 18,000 rupees, $215 per night, making it one of the more affordable luxury retreats on this list. Kerala offers an earthy, grounded luxury, where comfort doesn't overpower authenticity. 4 Atman Wellness Resort, Mulshi, Maharashtra. Overlooking the serene Mulshi Lake near Pune, Atman is a fusion of luxury architecture and scientific wellness. Its name stands for Atma, soul, Mana, mind, and Tanna, body. And every experience here aims to align the three. Expect programs for fitness, detox, weight loss, stress management, and rejuvenation. The retreat features glass-walled villas, an expansive spa, infinity pools, and dietitian-designed cuisine. Guests enjoy cutting-edge therapies like infrared sauna, flotation therapy, and crystal healing. Prices range from 45,000 rupees to 90,000 rupees, $540 to $1,080 per night. Atman combines modern wellness science with Indian spiritual wisdom in the most elegant way possible. 5 SOUKYA Holistic Health Center, Bangalore, Karnataka. Founded by Dr. Isaac Mathai, SOUKYA blends Ayurveda, homeopathy, yoga, naturopathy, and modern medicine, making it one of India's most comprehensive wellness centers. The retreat has welcomed global icons including Archbishop Desmond Tutu and members of the British royal family. Expect daily yoga sessions, therapeutic massages, organic vegetarian cuisine, and customized healing programs. The serene gardens and water features create an atmosphere of calm introspection. Prices start around 35,000 rupees, $420 per night. At SOUKYA, healing feels clinical yet spiritual, where luxury is not just in comfort, but in the precision of care. 6. Swaswara, Gokarn, Karnataka. Located on Om Beach, one of the most spiritual coastlines in India, Swaswara is where the ocean meets the inner voice. Its name means the sound of your soul. Guests live in eco-villas inspired by Konkan architecture, with private yoga decks and open-air bathrooms. The retreat offers Ayurveda, yoga, art therapy, and silent meditation. Meals are crafted from organic produce grown on-site, reflecting the rhythm of nature. Prices start at 30,000 rupees, $360 per night. At Swaswara, you don't just relax, you listen deeply, allowing the sea breeze to cleanse what the mind cannot. 7. Carnesty Ayurveda and Wellness Resort, Mararikulam, Kerala. Carnesty feels like a tropical paradise wrapped in Ayurvedic excellence. Just a few kilometers from the backwaters of Alappuzha, this eco-luxury resort features traditional Kerala villas with private pools. The spa, Ayurveda Sala, offers therapies rooted in classical Ayurveda alongside modern detox programs. Guests can also enjoy yoga by the beach, cycling through coconut groves, or sunset cruises. Prices range between 55,000 rupees to 1,20,000 rupees, $660 to $1,440 per night. Carnesty's focus is rejuvenation through indulgence, where wellness feels as exquisite as a 5-star escape. 8. Hilton Shillim Estate Retreat and Spa, Lonavala, Maharashtra. A short drive from Mumbai, Hilton Shillim is spread across 350 acres of pristine forest in the Sahyadri Mountains. Unlike typical Hilton hotels, this property is a sanctuary for mindful luxury. Expect holistic programs blending yoga, meditation, spa therapies, and organic cuisine sourced from their own gardens. Villas feature private pools, open-air showers, and sweeping valley views. Guests can try pottery, forest walks, or silent retreats. Prices start from 40,000 rupees, $480 per night. Shillim is perfect for urban souls seeking luxury that whispers, not shouts, a retreat from chaos into clarity. 9. Namia Retreats, Surya Samudra Pokovalam, Kerala. Built on a cliff overlooking the Arabian Sea, Namia offers timeless coastal luxury. Stone pathways, heritage cottages, and an award-winning spa make this one of India's most romantic and rejuvenating destinations. Guests enjoy daily yoga, traditional Kerala massages, and seafront meditation at sunset. The spa uses locally sourced herbs and ancient Ayurvedic oils for complete body rejuvenation. Prices range from 35,000 rupees to 75,000 rupees, $420 to $900 per night. The scent of the ocean blends with sandalwood here, reminding visitors that true luxury lies in simplicity. 10. Swasti Ayurveda Village for Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. A rising name in holistic wellness, Swasti offers a unique balance of traditional Ayurveda and modern comfort. Located near the foothills of the Nilgiris, this retreat emphasizes Panchkarma, yoga, and personalized diet therapy. Guests can expect one-on-one consultations, herbal detox treatments, and meditative walks through coconut groves. Prices start from 25,000 rupees, $300 per night. Unlike large luxury spas, Swasti offers a quiet, intimate experience, a return to the roots of self-care. From the royal stillness of Ananda to the oceanic calm of Namia, each of these retreats offers more than luxury. They offer transformation. Whether you seek detox, balance, or inner awakening, India's finest retreats merge body, mind, and soul into one seamless experience. As Sadhguru once said, the highest luxury is not in gold or silk, but in inner peace. If you enjoyed this journey through India's most exquisite healing destinations, like this video, share it with fellow seekers, and subscribe for more spiritual and wellness travel guides. Tell us in the comments, which of these retreats would you love to visit first?